Alright, we're going to do this autograph series box break next.
It's going to be random team.
Random team. So, what we're going to do here, I got every ball in here is all 30 teams. And we're going to put it in this bag. This bag's empty. Nothing, yeah. Alright. And so, the way we're going to do it, however you bought into the break, like let's say like Anthony P, you were the last to buy in with 10 teams, so you're going to have the last 10 teams. So it goes according to how you bought. Ryan A, you're going to have 2 spots, Andrew B with 1, Murphy H with 3 spots, James A with 1, Phil S with 1, Adam R with 2, or Phil S with 3, Adam R with 5, Shane H with 5, and Anthony P finishing out with the last 10 teams. Alright, so in here we got all the teams.
Can you read the names and then you gonna
read out the first name, who's getting what.
Alright, Ryan with the first pick.
Ryan, first team. Cincinnati Reds. Ryan with another team. It's gonna be the Brewers.
Then we have Andrew B.
Andrew B with the next 4. The Nationals.
Then you have Murphy H.
Murphy H
He's
with
got 3 spots.
3 spots. First team Murphy will be the Marlins. Second team will be the White Sox. And third team will be the St. Louis Cardinals. Sorry, Cardinals. Who's next?
All right, James A.
James A. Astros.
You got Phil S with 3 spots here.
All right, Phil 3. Red Sox. Mets. And your last team will be the Diamondbacks.
And you got Adam R with 4 spots. Adam
He's
R
got 5.
5 spots.
Yeah, 5 spots. All right, first spot for Adam. San Fran Giants. Pittsburgh Pirates. Minnesota Twins. And your last 2. Kansas City Royals. And the Mariners.
Alright, then you got Shane H with the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Shane H with 5. The Braves. The Cubbies. The Rockies. I pulled a Todd Helton out of here. The Rangers. And this last team, the Yankees. Okay, and Anthony P, you got the last 10 teams, so we'll go ahead and just pull them out and read them out real quick. The Padres. The Tampa Bay Rays. The Angels. The Indians. The O's, Orioles. The Dodgers. The Athletics, the A's. The Phillies. The Blue Jays. And there should be one more. Tigers.
And that's all of our teams. Good luck, everybody. Let's rip it open, see what we got. 1 card in here. 1 hit, 1 winner.
See a lot of 1 out of 1s come out of here.
These boxes do go for cheap though, and they are nice cards.
Yeah,
well worth
very,
your
very
money.
nice. All right.
Let's bring this Facebook in here live.
You gonna bring it down closer? Go ahead. Yeah. All right.
Oops. I told you guys.
Here it is.
So I'm gonna move this. Come right over
All right.
here. There you go.
Good luck, everybody. It's going to be a. What do you say his name? Mark. Hold on. Juan Markle. San Francisco Giants. But it's 16 out of 16. That's a nice Gypsy Queen
Home
design.
card auto.
That is nice. So the Giants. Who had the Giants? Let's see here. Giants, Adam, congratulations.
Congrats, Adam. Nice hit.
Awesome. This is from a 2015 Gypsy Queen set. Awesome, man. It's a great hit. Get that shipped out to you ASAP. Steven will get you that jersey ASAP. Awesome, man. Awesome.
And we got more helmets available right now.
We're going to do a helmet.
Again, the helmets. We got the 2019 certified basketball
Ready to break this. We're going to put this up
hobby
ASAP.
boxes.
And, of course, we got jerseys.
And we're going to do some type of split with the jersey.
We're going to do it,
combo.
jersey helmet combo. Probably do a 2-for-1 type deal with that. And we'll also list separately as well in case you don't want to buy into
Be waiting
that.
for the listing. That'll be up soon.
Yeah, be up today. Get that going.
Thank you. Have a good night, everybody.